In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your workspace URL in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a refresher, this guide will help you locate your workspace URL with ease. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Slack. If you don't have the desktop app installed, you can simply open your preferred web browser and go to slack.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You have a few options for this. You can sign in using your email, or if you prefer, you can also log in through Google or Apple if those are linked to your Slack account. It's important to use the credentials associated with the workspace you're trying to find. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of workspaces you have access to. If you're not automatically brought into a specific workspace, take a moment to scan your screen and click on the particular workspace you want to explore. This step is crucial, because each Slack workspace has its own unique URL. Now that you're in the desired workspace, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You should see the name of your workspace prominently displayed. Next to this name, there's a small downward-facing arrow. It's subtle, but it's your gateway to more options, so go ahead and click on it. This action reveals a drop-down menu with several choices related to your workspace. In this drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Workspace Settings. Click on it. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various settings for your workspace, ranging from permissions to apps and beyond. Once you're on the Workspace Settings page, you'll need to scroll down until you reach a section called Workspace Name and URL. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find both the name of your workspace and the URL, which is essential for inviting new members, accessing Slack on new devices, or even troubleshooting any access issues. It's really as simple as that. By following these steps, you'll always know where to go to find your workspace URL quickly and easily. This knowledge not only helps you stay connected with your team, but also enhances your efficiency in navigating through Slack. Remember, having easy access to your workspace URL can save you time and streamline your workflow, especially if you're managing or switching between multiple workspaces. Thank you for watching this tutorial on locating your workspace URL in Slack. I hope you found it useful and easy to follow. Make sure to check back for more helpful tips and guides. Happy Slacking!